This is the Datamars video for the installation of the Z Tag floor decals. The equipment that you need is an alcohol-based cleaner like methylated spirits and a clean rag and some masking tape. So I'm going to switch around now and show you the installation process and talk you through it step by step. With your clean rag, use methylated spirits to clean the floor. Don't use any chemical-based cleaners. You just need to make sure that the floor is clean of any loose dirt and any grease. So methylated spirits or just water is the perfect for this, but definitely no chemical-based cleaners. If the decal is a little creased when you unpack it, don't worry. Any creases are really easy to smooth out. It won't affect the final product. Get your masking tape and tape it into position. The advice is don't try to line the decal up perfectly with any straight lines on the floor like tiles, because if you shift slightly and it's slightly out of whack, it won't look good. Instead, choose a completely different angle and your chances of success are much greater. Once it's taped in place, peel off the backing paper. Take your time.
Only a little bit, eh? Just take a little bit up. Don't take a lot up.
Using your rag, press the first part of the decal into position to hold it firmly in place. Remove the tape, fold the decal back over and remove the rest of the backing paper, or most of it. And lay it gently and neatly into position. Starting from where it's already adhered, use your clean rag and gently smooth it out so that it's in full contact with the floor. Any creases can be smoothed out with a little extra pressure. It's very important to really take your time in this step because the adhesive is very, very strong, and you won't get a second chance to pull it up and apply it again if it goes down in the wrong spot.
I'm going to try another